In this video, we are taking a look at the breakthrough system, or TBS, by Johannes Mengel. I actually had this for about a month, but unfortunately, I was quite busy recently, and then I got sick, as you may still be able to tell. That's why there have not been any review videos for the past month or so. So it took me a lot longer to get to this review. So apologies to Johannes for the delay. When the breakthrough system first came out, it created quite a lot of discussion. However, most of the conversations were centered around the marketing and not the effect itself. Some people found the landing page and the promotional style a bit off-putting. Sad to say, I was one of those people as well. However, now I have watched the whole thing, all 4 hours plus of material. The question is this as good as people say? Is it practical? And is it worth the investment? Let's find out. Now, what is the breakthrough system? When you purchase this, you will get access to the online tutorial videos, or more accurately, the online course. The breakthrough system isn't a single method. It is a collection of methods to achieve one single effect. That is, to pass a tap of a can through the can. Think of it like the ambitious card. You are not just learning one way to accomplish the effect. You are learning multiple approaches and methods that you can combine to form your own routine. The course itself is presented in a straightforward format. It is mainly Johannes in front of a white background with a single camera setup. The video and audio quality are clear and easy to follow. One thing to note is that the course is hosted online and is not downloadable. Now, what becomes obvious very quickly is how much time Johannes has invested into this plot. He has an incredibly deep, almost obsessive understanding of the tap-through can effect. Each method is taught in detail, and this allows you to mix and match different methods and to combine them into a routine that suits you. That said, each method comes with its own strength and restrictions. For example, clothing restrictions. So understanding when and where to use them is important, and so is audience management. Some of the methods are surprisingly very bold. To be honest, I did find the teaching a bit dry at times. This is not Johannes' fault. It is simply the nature of the material, because he is teaching multiple variations of essentially the same effect. There will be moments where things start to feel very repetitive. Thankfully, the course is broken down into bite-sized chapters, which makes it easier for you to work through at your own pace. So is it practical and easy to perform? Now here is where some people might get the wrong expectations. While the effect itself is simple, performing it well is not. There are a lot of nuances involved, and audience management plays an important role. This will be something that you want to practice with a real person instead of just in front of a mirror. You will need to spend time with it. This is not the open the box and perform it 5 minutes later type of effect. So what cans can you use? Johannes teaches you the method with these classic wider style cans, but you can also use these thinner and taller cans that many of us encounter today. Now for setup and reset, one of the pros of TBS is the modular nature and the flexibility of the effect. There are methods taught that are completely impromptu. You can just take a can, remove the tap, and perform the effect. There are also methods that use a gimmick. While the gimmick is something that you make yourself, don't worry, as there is no complicated arts and crafts, and the materials that you need can be easily found. What the gimmick gives you is much easier handling and a significantly more visual effect. The impromptu methods require no setup, and some of the setup happens naturally during the performance. However, to get most out of the system, you will probably want to combine several methods together, because some of the methods may cancel each other out. For that, you will want to set up the gimmick beforehand. For me, I feel that the breakthrough system is most suitable for casual, impromptu, or street magic style environments. What can be more powerful than borrowing a can, removing the tap, and performing magic with it? Another thing to note is that the tap can be quite small for larger audiences or on stage. However, one thing that helps is the audio element. People don't just see the magic, but they hear it happen as well.
Oh, see that? You hear that? Hey, check it out.
As for routining, I feel that the structure is very similar to the ambitious card. You don't want to keep repeating the effect endlessly. Maybe around 3 or 4 phases is the sweet spot, For example, you demonstrate the effect once, then perform it again, and then end with it happening in the spectator's hands. This progressively builds stronger and stronger reactions without overstaying your welcome. Now for angles, some angles are very good, while others require some care. If you are a younger magician or where your audiences tower over you, you might run into some trouble. The good news, as mentioned, is that the methods complement each other. You can layer them together and use one method to cancel out the other. That's why Johannes refers to the TBS as a system rather than a single effect or method. You really have to think about building a complete routine. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. This retails for 129 euros, which is approximately 150 US dollars. Now, if you are simply curious about the method and want to buy this to find out how it works, please don't buy this. This is not for people who enjoy buying tricks and displaying them on the shelf. In fact, I'm pretty sure that there are already people who have bought this, watching the methods, and think, that's it, and then feeling disappointed. The value here comes from learning, practicing, and performing the effect. This is for people that genuinely love the tap through can effect. And you should only consider this if you really want to perform this effect. This is an investment in both money and time. That being said, there is something genuinely different with this offering, which I have not seen before. Johannes offers unlimited email support, and even a one-to-one video call session. You'll get access directly to the creator, which is an extremely rare offering. For people who are serious about performing this effect, this level of support and mentorship adds a lot of value. Johannes clearly wants people to succeed in performing this effect rather than just buying it and keeping it. So is the ad copy accurate? Is it easy to do? Can it be performed with a borrowed can, impromptu? Can everything be examined? The answer is all yes. Personally, I am still working on it. I will continue to practice and refine my own routine because I do see a lot of potential in this. If you are looking for an effect that turns an ordinary soda can into almost a miracle, then you may consider the breakthrough system. Just remember that you have to put in the work. But Johannes basically gives you all the tools that you need. But the responsibility to practice and perform this still relies on you. The breakthrough system is available directly from Johannes Mengel and also Vanishing Ink. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks to Johannes Mengel for providing me access to the breakthrough system. Hopefully things are getting back to normal for me, and you'll be seeing more review videos on the channel very soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.